Hello and happy holidays, my friends. Hope all you're doing well, had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen, the 428th episode and the 5th episode of Ellen's Christmas Series 2020. Before we begin, I would like to thank all of you. Recently, we have reached 22,000 subscribers. Thank you again, my friends, for watching and tuning in. Now we're on to 23,000. Again, thank you. Do you still have leftover ham from Thanksgiving? Well, I got a great recipe that we're going to turn this leftover ham into an amazing dish. And it has my 3 favorite things: cheese, ham, and grits. Oh yes, sugar. We're going to make ham, cheese, and grits balls. And my friends, these are the bomb.com. They're going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make. And we're going to fry them to golden perfection. You can serve these as a meal or an appetizer. And these also would make great appetizers for your holiday parties and gatherings. Everybody's going to fall in love with these. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my turkey bolognese and lemon turkey soup using leftover turkey, and Italian stuffed meatloaf using leftover dressing. And my previous video, mint hot chocolate. I'll post a link to all of those down below in the description box. So grab your cheese, your grits, your ham, and heat up your oil, sugar, because we're about to fry some ham, cheese, and grits balls magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my cast iron skillet, I got the fire over medium heat. I added in 2 tablespoons of canola oil. We're going to add in 1/2 cup of diced ham. Yeah, music to my ears. Give it a quick stir. And we're going to let the ham cook for about 5 minutes until it's brown. Alright, my friends, I'm through frying my ham. So now I put it on my pan with paper towel to drain the grease. So now we're going to set it aside. In my bowl, we're going to add in 1.5 cups of cooked grits that I let cool. And I use quick cooking grits, or you can use the stone ground grits, or even instant grits. We're going to add in 1 cup of freshly grated cheese. I'm using parmesan, or you can use any cheese of your choice. And the cooked ham. And give it a quick stir. You know, I'm going to use my hands. Cook's best tool. And nice and clean. Just mix them together until it's well incorporated. And as soon as I get through mixing everything, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing everything together. So now we're ready to form them into balls. I have 3 dredging stations. Over here in this pan, I have 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. And we're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon each of onion and garlic powder, and a pinch of cayenne pepper, which is 1/8 teaspoon. And give it a quick stir until it's well incorporated. And you don't need to add any salt because ham and cheese have salt in it. But we're going to sprinkle some when they get through frying. Alright, here we go. And you can make your balls any size. So we're going to take a little of the mixture and we're going to roll them. Dip them in the flour. And then we're going to dip them in 3 eggs that are lightly beaten. and into the panko breadcrumbs. I'm using 1 cup. Make them nice and crispy. Just like that. And then we're going to put them onto the plate. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish making my balls, and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friend, I got all my balls together. So now I'm going to heat up some oil, and we're going to let the balls rest for about 5 minutes so the crust can stay locked in when we fry them. Now we're ready to fry our ham, cheese, and grits balls. I have a large pot of canola oil heating up, or you can fry them in the skillet. So we're going to gently put a ball into the hot oil. Like so. Hear that sizzle? That's what you want. And be careful not to overcrowd the pot. So now we're going to let the balls fry until they're golden brown. Alrighty, my friends, now we're ready to flip them on the other side. Oh yeah, beautiful golden brown. So now we're going to finish frying them on the other side. And as soon as I get through frying my balls, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through frying my ham, cheese, and grits balls. It smells heavenly up in this kitchen. So now, while they're still hot, just going to sprinkle some salt on them. So now I'm about to put them on my platter, and then we'll give them a taste. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Ham, cheese, and grits balls. Don't they look delicious? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Y'all hear that crunch? Because see the specks of ham. It's cheesy. It's creamy. Great flavor from the ham. I can eat these all day. These are fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Ham, cheese, and grits balls-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram, or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Stay safe. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.